Tired of messy, slow tomato prep, this tool will change the way you cook forever, exactly the way it changed mine. The electric tomato strainer and sauce maker with a stainless steel body is built for anyone who wants faster, smoother, and cleaner results without doing all the hard work manually. With a 370-watt pure copper motor, a 9-inch funnel, and a high output of 198 to 352 pounds per hour, this machine turns heavy kitchen tasks into a simple, hands-off process. What I love, after using it for my own weekly sauce prep, is how stable it stays because of the stainless steel build. It doesn't shake, doesn't clog easily, and cleaning is way easier than I expected, thanks to its waterproof design. The adjustable trough angle is a small feature, but it made a big difference when I was making strawberry jam last weekend. No splashing, no mess, just a constant, clean flow of sauce. Add the heat dissipation system and quiet operation, and you've got a machine that feels made for real kitchens, not just showroom photos. This isn't just for tomatoes. You can run strawberries, blueberries, and mixed fruits through it for smooth jams and sauces. Whether you're making big batches for customers or stocking your home kitchen, the performance stays consistent. If you want a reliable machine that saves time, delivers clean results, and upgrades your whole cooking experience, this is the tool that does it. Every single time.
You've ever struggled to get even, juicy, perfectly roasted meat outdoors? This grill fixes that problem from the very first use, and I'll tell you exactly why. The 46-inch rotisserie grill with charcoal spit is built for anyone who wants stable heat, consistent rotation, and a setup that actually makes outdoor cooking easier. I've used this grill during weekend cookouts, and the first thing I noticed was how steady the motor stayed, even with heavier cuts. That alone makes the cooking process feel more controlled and a lot less stressful. At the center of the system is a 42W electric motor running at 4 RPM, giving you the even rotation needed for whole chickens, lambs, or anything up to 135 pounds. The 37-inch grill net lets you cook sides at the same time, and personally, that extra space has saved me more than once when cooking for a crowd. The stainless steel build keeps the surface durable, heat-resistant, and easy to clean after long sessions. Heat control is simple with 7 adjustable height settings. When I cooked a turkey recently, adjusting the height between slow roasting and finishing made the final texture noticeably better. It's a small feature, but it gives you real control over the outcome. Mobility is straightforward with 4 lockable wheels and a stable 45-degree tripod frame. Once you lock the wheels, the grill stays steady, even during long, heavy roasts. The built-in windshield helps protect your flame on breezy days and keeps the temperature stable. You can switch between manual and automatic rotation, and the heat insulation plate plus motor fan keep the system running safely. Essential tools like tongs, a brush, and seasoning bottles are included, so you can start cooking right away. If you want an outdoor grill that's reliable, easy to manage, and strong enough for whole animal roasting, this setup is made for that kind of cooking. It's steady, predictable, and built for those who want real results without complicated steps.
If you're tired of spending half your prep time slicing meat by hand, let me show you the machine that saved me hours every week and might do the same for you. If you work with meat often, at home or in a small business, you already know how draining manual slicing can be. I've done bulk prep myself, and the first time I tried this 750-watt electric meat slicer, the speed shocked me. With the ability to process up to 1,100 pounds of meat per hour, it immediately took the pressure off my workflow. When I tested it with beef and pork, the cut stayed clean and consistent, which really helps when you want even cooking and professional-looking results. The slicer is built with stainless steel, the same material used in commercial kitchens for durability and hygiene. One thing I personally appreciated was the detachable external blade. I've worked with slicers that were a nightmare to clean, but this one removes easily, making maintenance fast. The 1/8 inch or 3 mm slice thickness stayed uniform every time I used it, which matched what I'm used to seeing in restaurant prep setups. Safety is a big deal when handling sharp blades, and this machine includes features you usually see in professional equipment. The heightened feeding port keeps your hands safely away from the blade, and the emergency stop switch gives you full control if you need to stop instantly. These elements follow standard food prep practices, which adds peace of mind during use.
I also liked how easy it was to move. With 4 caster wheels and a brake lock, I rolled it from my prep table to storage without lifting anything heavy. Once locked in place, it stayed stable even when slicing larger batches. The slicer doesn't just handle simple cuts. You can prepare slices, strips, or minced pieces depending on your recipe. During a week of testing for meal prep, it noticeably reduced my work time because the motor never slowed down and the blade stayed consistent. Why it works so well? Speeds up large batches instantly, delivers consistent slice thickness, blade detaches for quick cleaning, moves easily with caster wheels, safety features match common kitchen standards, handles multiple meat types without struggle. If you're cooking for your family or running a busy kitchen, this slicer can help you work faster with far less effort. Once you try it, you'll feel the difference in speed, control, and overall workflow, just like I did.
Ever wished you could make perfect milkshakes or smoothies in seconds without waiting in long lines? Let me show you how. The electric milkshake maker with dual heads is a game changer if you want quick and consistent results at home or in your cafe. I've used it myself, and making 2 milkshakes at the same time literally saves half my prep time during busy mornings. Its dual mixing heads, strong motors, and simple controls make whipping up milkshakes, smoothies, or juices easy and fast. With 375-watt dual motors, this machine can prepare 2 drinks simultaneously. I tested it with chocolate and strawberry shakes, and both came out perfectly smooth in seconds. Each head works independently, so you can mix different flavors without any hassle. It has 3 speed settings: 15,000 RPM for soft drinks, 18,000 RPM for fruit shakes, and 21,000 RPM for thicker blends. Personally, I found the higher speed perfect for frozen fruits. It creates a creamy texture in just 12 seconds, thanks to the 1 HP motor. The cups are food-grade SUS 304 stainless steel, easy to clean and dishwasher safe. In my experience, this makes cleanup much quicker, especially after multiple batches. A micro switch system automatically starts mixing when a cup is placed and stops when removed, while the LED timer lets you control mixing up to 10 minutes for consistent results. Compact yet powerful, this machine works well in cafes, juice shops, restaurants, or home kitchens. Making 2 flavors at once is convenient and ideal for busy households or customer orders. Whether you're serving customers or making treats for family, the electric milkshake maker with dual heads delivers speed, durability, and consistent results. Tired of struggling with frozen meat and tough bones? Let me share something that completely changed the way I work in the kitchen: the electric bone cutting machine. If you've ever tried cutting thick meat or ribs with a regular knife, you know how exhausting it can be. I've been there too. Uneven cuts, sore hands, and wasted time. That's why I switched to this machine, and honestly, it's been a total game changer. Powered by an 1100-watt pure copper motor, it slices through bones, ribs, and frozen meat with ease. I still remember the first time I used it on a frozen lamb leg, which used to take minutes, was done in seconds, and every cut came out smooth and even. With the ability to handle up to 441 pounds of meat per hour, it's built for real performance, whether you're cooking at home or running a busy kitchen. The adjustable stainless steel work table is another feature I love. You can set your preferred cutting thickness anywhere between 0.16 to 7.9 inches, perfect for everything from paper-thin ham to thick beef bone chunks. The scale markings help you get consistent cuts every time. No guesswork, no mess. Durability and safety are key here. The reinforced stainless steel and aluminum alloy build keeps it solid and resistant to wear, even after long use. And safety, top-notch. The one-button start, pusher plate, and pusher rod keep your hands safe while you work. It even comes with 6 extra blades and a waste collection box that makes cleanup super easy, a small detail that makes a big difference. Honestly, whether you're a professional butcher, restaurant owner, or someone who just loves cooking at home, this machine makes the whole process faster, cleaner, and safer. After using it, I can't imagine going back to manual cutting.
The electric bone-cutting machine isn't just another kitchen tool. It's a reliable partner that saves time, boosts efficiency, and delivers professional quality cuts every single perfect pizzas every time. Meet the 14-inch double-deck commercial pizza oven. I've tried a lot of ovens, but this 14-inch double-deck commercial pizza oven quickly became my favorite. Whether you're baking at home or running a small business, it lets you cook 2 pizzas at once, roast casseroles, or even bake bread without worrying about uneven results. Precision heat control. Each deck has separate temperature knobs, so you can control the top and bottom elements independently. I once baked cookies on the top while cooking a pizza below, and both came out perfectly golden. With a max temperature of 662 degrees Fahrenheit, it's ready for everything from soft pastries to crispy pizzas. Even cooking every time. The U-shaped heating tubes provide 360 degrees heat. From my experience, dishes bake evenly in just 15 to 20 minutes. No more guessing if the crust is done or the cheese is melted. The results are consistent. Spacious and durable. The double-deck design lets you cook more in less time. I hosted a pizza night and baked 2 14-inch pizzas plus bread rolls simultaneously. Built from stainless steel with cool touch handles and non-slip feet, it's safe, sturdy, and easy to clean. Versatile and easy to use. It comes with pizza stones, shelves, and a timer that shuts off automatically. I've used it for everything from pizzas to casseroles, and it always delivers reliable results. Upgrade your cooking game today. This oven makes restaurant-quality results simple and stress-free, whether for family nights or a small business.